where dough is spread. Babies gather round, mischief in their head. Cookie cutters lined in a bright, tidy row. Stars, hearts, and circles ready to show. Little hands press shapes with joyful care. Dough popping up in design so rare. Flour dust sprinkles on tiny toes as babies shuffle where the cookie line goes. Each cutter taps in a rhythmic beat, creating shapes that look so neat. Hearts swirl out with a gentle press. Stars twinkle bright in sweet success. Circles spin like a cookie parade. Babies giggle at each form they've made. The kitchen hums with a flurry tune. Tiny feet patter through the afternoon. Dough scraps form silly little lumps. Babies pat them down with joyful jumps. One final press with a cheerful grin. Shapes laid out, the shuffle locked in. Oven warms as the cookie sheets filled. Babies beam at the wonders they've built. With doughy shapes on trays so fine, cookie cutter shapes shuffle in.